Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. So the first fix is check AirPlay connection. Open the control center on your iPhone, tap on the AirPlay icon and select the correct device like a TV or Roku device. Now ensure that both iPhone and AirPlay device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The second fix is to toggle airplane mode. First turn on airplane mode, then turn it off again. Now the third is to restart Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, then turn it on again. See if this resolved the AirPlay issue. The fourth fix is to restart iPhone. To restart your iPhone, go to settings, tap on general, shut it down and turn it on again. Now the fifth fix is to update iOS. Go to settings, in general, go to software update, and if any update is available, simply update it, download it. So that's it.